What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are at the SugarMynt Gallery in Pasadena because we're doing something spooky. It's a little spooky. The SugarMynt Gallery is an area where they usually showcase spooky artwork, scary stuff. Their exhibits change throughout the year, and right now they're in the transition of changing into another exhibit, and I think it's Trick or Treat in Haddonfield.
Yeah.
So that's a mixture of the Trick or Treat movie and the Michael Myers movies, and that's going to be coming, I think, next month in September. But during that time, they're doing a little pop-up, and it's the classic monster pop-up. So there's a little art exhibit inside this house that I'm kind of excited to see.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I love me some classic monsters. I don't think Creature's gonna be there though. Maybe, I don't know. Hopefully, because he's the best. But I am expecting to see maybe some Dracula, Frankenstein, probably the Mummy. And what's also exciting is that in the backyard, they're gonna have 12 vendors selling all kinds of spooky merchandise, so we're gonna showcase that. And we're gonna get a little sneak peek preview of their new exhibit, Trick or Treat in Haddonfield. One other thing, if you guys have been following my vlogs, you guys know that I've been here a couple times, but I always have to mention it every time I'm here, is that this house right here is the Michael Myers house. This is where they filmed the first Halloween movie when Michael Myers stabs his sister. So that is very exciting, but I don't know, I'm ready. The event starts at 3 o'clock. It's about 2:45 right now, so yeah. We're just waiting to get started.
Maybe we'll get some coffee.
Oh yeah, they have a coffee area here. We'll have to show you. All right, let's go. So we're at the front entrance right now, and look, we've got ourselves a gatekeeper. Or some sort of crypt keeper, I don't know. And then they're selling coffee out here, and I like it. It's called Rad Coffee. Cappuccinos, all that stuff. And I wanted to showcase to you guys that the Trick or Treat in Haddonfield that we were talking about earlier opens September 4th, which is next month. It's coming quickly. And then there's also other kind of pop-ups that are happening. So September 19th, One Good Scare. October 17th, Always Check Your Candy, Trick or Treat with Sam. November 20th, Who You Gonna Call? 2-in-1 event opening party of our Ghostbusters exhibit and outdoor pop-up. And then December 11th, this one I'm really excited about. Krampus is Coming to Town. That one's to look out for, because I love Dark Christmas. All right, we're being let in. And check it out. We've got Sam and Michael Myers. Ooh. Loving that. Hey, should we just go check out the exhibits inside right now? Yeah. All right, let's do it. All right, let's go check it out. Ooh. All right, what do we got going on here? This looks like Frankenstein. Oh, look, he's reaching for a needle and thread. And then we have a little backstory here on each little exhibit. So this one's called Needle and Thread. And the backstory is Frankenstein's monster has disappeared into the woods and the villagers are on the hunt for him. The creature has injured his fresh stitches, and while his disturbed mind rages with frustration, he has the wherewithal to attend to his wounds by stealing needle and thread from a chateau's open window. So that's what's happening right now. He's injured, and he needs to get that needle and thread to stitch himself up. And what's this over here, Arl?
Dr. Jekyll.
Oh. Uh-oh. This one's called Hide and Seek. Dr. Jekyll has been experimenting with a new serum medication that he believes allows him to tap into his dual personality. Through a hideous physical transformation, he can now indulge his vices without fear of detection. Of course, all the commotion has him worried that the nosy neighbors are spying on his nefarious activities, so he must keep a sharp eye out. So this one's called Long and Tooth? Ooh. Check this out. And the backstory behind this is Count Dracula is incredibly old and keeps a set of false teeth by his coffin while he sleeps. Renfield, his loyal assistant and slave to the mind of the old vampire, watches over the casket as he recounts his experience and waits for Dracula to awaken from his underground slumbers. There's Dracula. hanging about. Some pretty impressive artwork here. And I think this is artwork on all of the exhibits that we have going on here.
That's the Dr. Jekyll.
This is the Dr. Jekyll one. This is the Dracula one. I don't think we've seen this one yet. Oh yes, that is the Frankenstein one. It's that one over there.
We haven't seen these two.
Oh my gosh, they have a creature one?
And they have a werewolf one.
They have a creature one, Arl? Where is it? Where? It's over there. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. It's creature. And what is he grabbing here? A bra of some sort? Ooh, he horny. Oh wow, look at this. This is great. The detailing is incredible on this too. And same with this one as well. They did such a good job. So let's read the backstory on this one. This one is called Catch of the Day. A scientific expedition to the Amazon River is surprised by the appearance of a mysterious swamp creature. Helen, a tenacious biologist, has been drawing sketches after every appearance of the beast. Her fascination with it may be her undoing, though, as she decides to go for a swim to find it. Meanwhile, her beastly biology subject decides to pay her cabin room a visit, and something naughty has caught his attention. Ooh, so yep, creature has been getting a little horny there. And then before I show you this one, let's just read about it. Shave and a haircut. Larry has locked himself in the bedroom. Evelyn suspects, as she does once every month, that something is terribly wrong with her husband. She desperately tries to get his attention and help before the full moon seals both of their fates. So this is definitely the Wolfman. Oh, right, there we are. We've got some stuff about werewolves here. I'm assuming something, oh look, it's kind of hard to tell, but there's the moon and the reflection.
So that determined like how big they started to be, and it was like, well, it needs to be a window. So I was like, okay, so they gotta be about this high. And I didn't think today, I thought this whole production. So then I stopped and I actually
just match it up with my face.
And I'm like, well, I want to do another one.
I'm a monster. Alright, as I'm showcasing the backyard and showing you the vendors, I'm going to be speaking a lot because they are playing copyright music. And I've been getting hit hard lately with the copyright songs on YouTube. Let's go, let's check what we got going on out here. First of all, I love the photo op. It's popping out here. Whoa, look at this.
Make sure when it sticks a big fire.
Here's their card and their email. So we're looking at custom hand-painted things. I see a lot of knives in the background as well. Look at some of these are great. Oh look, we got Terrifier over there. You don't usually see him a whole lot.
I did actually. I have
chainsaws.
Oh, that's Art the clown?
Yeah.
No way.
Howard Thornton. Actually, so if you follow his Instagram,
Uh-huh.
you'll see my knife in the background when he's doing promotions for part 2.
That's
Actually,
awesome.
We're gonna be meeting up with them in Jersey at the end of the month.
Oh, okay.
At a horror con.
There's a second one coming out soon, right? Yeah.
It's supposed to come out this Halloweenish.
Yeah, that first one was gnarly. I'm gonna tell you, there were some deaths in that movie that I was like,
She just
oh.
watched it for the first time 10 days ago.
Yeah. Some of the most brutal things I've seen are in that movie.
They're supposed to top that in part 2.
That's what I'm hearing. I'm a little nervous because that first one was rough. We literally had to pause the movie and just be like, did we just really watch
Right,
someone?
Exactly. The first time I saw it, I was like, oh,
Yeah. Okay, they went there. Next up is the Spooky Little Ghoul booth. And check this out. I really like this one.
Snickerdoodle, you guys like snickerdoodle or just vanilla? Snickerdoodle's good for them. Yeah, she's gonna give them a good share.
Whoa, look at this.
Yeah, it's you guys share.
All about it.
And then I'm gonna grab one of these.
Did you want a specific one? Do you want the hat? Vanilla chocolate.
If you guys want to follow on Instagram, here's the QR code for it. Are those masks? Oh, that's pretty cool.
You know like what size these masks are? Adult.
You never really see Billy on anything. This is a dead silence. Next up is Angelino Bakes. And check out some of these awesome... Now, okay, hold on. You guys know me. Which cookie am I gonna get? It's a hard one. Look over here. We've got vanilla, chocolate snickerdoodle, and cinnamon roll. Which one's cinnamon roll?
So this one is cinnamon roll. We have some of Bella Lugosi.
And then what flavor is the creature?
He's also cinnamon roll, vanilla, chocolate.
Oh, so you...
We have different flavors.
Which one would you recommend? I have to get a creature one.
Honestly, cinnamon roll is the best flavor.
Yeah? Okay. All right, let's do a cinnamon roll one for sure. And then look at this. Look how cute. Oh, it looks like the Midsummer Scream cat. And if you guys are interested in any of their cookies, this is their Instagram and their Facebook. It'll focus. Oh my gosh, yes. Up next is Lonely Loomis, and they have a bunch of artwork. All right. See, there's Art the Clown again. Art's been making I mean, I know he's getting big, but it's a pretty brutal movie if you guys haven't seen it. Oh, we got Joker, Spider-Man, Pamela Voorhees. And I like the picture frames too, the splatter, especially this one. Is that Halloween 4? That is cool. Does look at that.
Action and the hinge action.
Yeah. Like Chucky. And who's behind the mask? Okay, now that was fantastic. Yeah, that was really, really good. Now, I didn't know what to expect at all, but the Monster Peep Show,
That was really good.
that was great. Each little exhibit did a great job with like showcasing the story and just the special effects on the props. And they had Creature from the Black Lagoon there. I really didn't think they were going to be showcasing Creature, but they did.
His booth was pretty cool.
His booth was cool. He was being naughty. He was grabbing someone's bra.
I also like that they had specific scents, and they even put on the bottom like what scents they use for the booth.
Oh yeah, I didn't really mention that in the video, but they did. Each exhibit had like specific scents that they were using to kind of get you in the feel. I'm pleasantly surprised, as always, whenever I go to SugarMynt Gallery, they always have very interesting things that they showcase.
Yeah.
So guys, don't skip out on this place. If you guys are looking for a very easy, cheap, kind of spooky afternoon, come to SugarMynt Gallery. It's right next to the Michael Myers house, so you can check that out too. And it's cheap. It was only $10 per person.
Yeah, this event is over, but they're always open all year long, right?
Well, yeah, they have exhibits, so check when the exhibits are open. The next one is opening on the 4th, and like we said, that's going to be the Trick or Treat in Haddonfield. But oh, and then we didn't even talk about the vendors.
Oh yeah, the vendors. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff.
We didn't spend that much money because Midsummer Scream is next week, and we're trying to save up as much pennies for that because we're definitely gonna be buying stuff there. But they had a lot of cool things for sale.
Yeah.
Those knives.
Those knives were really cool. I really wanted some.
I know.
They're on the expensive side, but they were like worth it.
I know. And he said that he will be back for Midsummer Scream season screenings.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll buy something then. But everyone had good stuff that they were selling. Check out SugarMynt Gallery. It's great.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you guys haven't. A like is always appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next one.